Hi, I'm Alex from HubSpot, and today I'm going to show you how to send an invoice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Post any questions or suggestions you have in the comments below. Let's get started. An invoice is a billing document issued by a seller to a customer. While creating an invoice might not sound like a big branding opportunity, having a well-designed, professional invoice can make a big difference in the eyes of your customer and help you get paid on time. Before making any type of payment, customers want to ensure that they're doing business with a credible, trustworthy company. This means your invoices should be error-free with consistent branding and a clear, itemized list of goods or services. To create a professional invoice, you'll need to include at least the following: the word invoice at the top of the document, a unique invoice number and date, your business name and contact information, the details of the products or services you provided, for example, quantity, rates, and hours, the name and contact information of the customer, the subtotal, a due date if necessary. When it comes to actually sending your invoice off to the customer, you have a couple of options. You can send the invoice electronically via email or website, or you send the invoice via postal mail. When sending an invoice electronically, you may send it through email or directly from your accounting or invoicing software. For many businesses, this is a preferred sending method, as it allows you to deliver invoices to a customer in real time. Invoices that are sent electronically are often paid electronically, or less commonly, paid via mail. When sending an invoice by postal mail, make sure that you consider the time it will take for your invoice to arrive. While this tends to be the slower of the two options, many businesses still send invoices via postal mail to meet the needs and demands of their specific audiences. Looking for more help with invoicing? Click the link in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below.